Hello everyone, I am Ramon with Ramon at Home, and today I would love to show you the fundamentals on wreath making. I'm going to show you how to make your own wreath form so you don't have to go out and buy it, and show you the proper tools you will need to create a beautiful wreath. If you want to see, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Creating your own wreath form is very easy and really inexpensive. You can go out and buy a metal wreath form, but you will pay over $12 for one, where you can make this literally for half the price. So what I've been doing is I've been putting these clean pipes, and you want to do 3 inches apart of each other. You want to go ahead and insert one of these clean pipes and then go all the way around the form, the grapevine form, and then pull back up and tie it. You can use this to create beautiful burlap wreaths or just floral wreaths. So I will show you the other tools that you will be needing. These are the tools that I need every time I make a wreath. One of them is 18 gauge wire, and what I utilize this wire for is to put the hanger on the back of my wreath to hang it from the door or the wreath hanger. Also, what I like to do is put some florist tape, because as I explained to you guys before, when you pull onto this wire without the tape, it will hurt your hands. But if you tape it, it will not hurt your hands and it becomes more pliable. So what I like to do is pull the tape down and then spin from the top. As you pull the tape down, the wax that is coating this tape, it becomes tacky and it will adhere into the wire. So I will do another one just so you guys can see. This is the wire without tape. I'm sorry, with tape. This is the wire without tape. So I'm gonna do it one more time. I start at the very top just by bending down and spinning. And then what you wanna do is pull and spin. You're gonna pull and spin. Pull and spin. And this will allow you to work with this wire without hurting or harming your hands. Once you are done, just cut the tape, and now you have a wired. The other tools that I need when I'm making a wreath is a real good pair of wire cutters. These are essential. You cannot make beautiful wreaths without wire cutters. This can cut a stem, floral stem. This can cut any wire. This can cut any plastic branch. Also, a really good pair of scissors. I do not let anyone else touch these scissors. These scissors are for burlap and ribbon only. Once you start cutting your wires with these scissors, your scissors will become dull and you will have a lot of trouble dovetailing those ribbons. So the other thing that I also like to use is pipe cleaners. These pipe cleaners can also be used to create the loop to hang your wreath with, or this can also be used to create the form like I show you guys for that wreath. The other thing I like to use is glue. I have these glue pellets that I melt on a glue pan. These are essential for when I'm making wreaths with. I also have a glue pan that I melt these glue pellets, and it just becomes easier to dip that stem and then insert into your wreath. This really comes in handy for Christmas wreath decorating. One thing that I also always use is quality good flowers, because if you put inexpensive flowers in a wreath, it just makes your wreath look inexpensive. If you add beautiful quality flowers into your wreath, then that wreath will look gorgeous and also will last longer than your basic flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this real short video on the fundamentals of wreath making. If you have these tools and if you have this basic information, you too can create a beautiful wreath to last you forever. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Until then, bye.